Hey friends, it's Jackeline here. In today's video, I'm bringing you my holiday wish list. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you will consider and subscribe to my channel, ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to know what I'm wishing for this holiday season, then just keep on watching. Another Vlogmas day, and I recall my friend Angela Van Rose. She did this kind of like tag video. I mean, I know all over YouTube we can find like, you know, holiday wish list, Christmas wish list and whatnot. But I think when she did it was perhaps 3 months ago or 2 months ago, right when all the makeup beauty releases for the holiday season were coming. And I think, like, it wasn't a collaboration with Chic Profile Official, but I think the intro was really cute. She was talking about Tavia, and I thought it was a lot of fun. But right at the time, I was like, like always, right? There's so many products coming into place that I felt like I couldn't make a day to actually do that wish list. And I thought, you know what? Maybe if I end up doing a Vlogmas like I'm doing now, you know. So interesting fact right here, my birthday is also on December, but I just have a few products here and there that I just really would love to have, that I don't know, they are just dreams. And I think, like, Santa, I have been good, right? I have been really good. So I don't know, I don't expect too much. I think the most important thing for me any time of the year, during the holidays, Mother's Day, my birthday, is to have my family together, to know that everybody is safe, healthy, and, you know, I think that's the most important thing, and that's what it actually makes me super happy. But thinking about tangible things, I think Angela started her video talking about cars, and I love cars, but I have no cars really on my wish list as of right now. Like, perhaps a Lamborghini? I don't know. I really don't know. It's not on the top of my list, although it will be a really nice gift. Obviously, my husband has a couple of cars though that he really wants. Yeah, that's another story right there. But going into my wish list, I think the first thing that I want to do, and I think this is a resolution that we all do during, you know, the end of the year, the beginning of the year, and that's, you know, get fitted, get more healthy. And honestly, this year I dedicated myself, like always, I'm a mom to my kids, but they have been homeschooled, so it has been a lot of time being at home and me creating videos and trying to push and move forward. And I have not really dedicated too much to myself. I have gained weight, so I think it will be amazing. A PELOTON bike. I really love it. I miss the time at the gym, and the reason why I miss it is because I'm not the person that can get self-motivated. I have to be in some sort of class to, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. You know what I mean? Otherwise, I kind of like get like, oh yeah. And even like, I watch some YouTube videos, but it's not like, okay, I'm gonna, you know, start to do that this time. And I don't know if a Peloton will make such a big of a difference or not in my life, but at least I guess, you know, knowing, I don't know, knowing that I can have like a trainer, you know, like I can look at a video and just kind of like keep going. Maybe perhaps it will motivate me more. I don't know, but it's something that I have been looking forward to perhaps get one day. And in fact, Morgan Turner has one, and every time that she's on her Instagram or on her story saying, I just finished up with, you know, one circuit or whatever with my Peloton, and she's all like sweating and feeling just so good of herself because, you know, she did her workout for the day. I feel like, okay, I think I need to have a Peloton too. So I think that's one in my wish list. This next item is very expensive, but it's worth it. I think when I talk about jewelry, I think they are pieces that they don't lose their value. So even if I buy one right now and I enjoy it, I can always pass it to my daughters. And then if they get married and they have children, they can pass it along and it will never lose its value. And I think, again, that's jewelry to me. And I have been eyeing these Chanel Camelia earrings with diamonds that they beautiful. they look so dainty. I love, like, I mean, I love everything about them. Everything about them. But they are just like, they are expensive. So I just even feel bad to say anything about them. You know, it's something that I will dream to have one day. But yeah, I think those Chanel Camelia earrings, those are the ones that, I don't know, it just gets me like, oh, my heart. I don't know. I don't know. But anyhow, talking about Chanel, I would love to get a bottle of L'Exclusif Beige. That fragrance is just so beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's a fragrance that I'm like, you know, I know you may have already smelled it, but it just lingers on you. I mean, the fragrance is just stunning, beautiful, and I just love it so much that I really want to get that one. And since we're here in the fragrance world, I know my wish list is heavy on fragrance, but I love fragrances. I think they just evoke moments. I mean, they speak about your personality. They also set the mood for your day. I don't know, I just love it. And I have been eyeing this Hautx fragrance. It's called Hautx Bijoux, and I have smelled it. It smells amazing. Again, it's a very light fragrance. It's not too heavy. It's kind of like for every day, but I want specifically the one with the turtle. I think, I mean, like, to begin with, I really love that the entire bottle is kind of like this gold or almost rose gold type of, you know, metal look. And then I love the turtle too. It looks so beautiful, and I think it will look so beautiful on my vanity that I think, I don't know, I just like very, I have been eyeing it for so long. Okay, and then my other item on my wish list, and this has been on my wish list for a long time, and in fact, I perhaps had the opportunity to get it during the Sephora sale, the one that just passed the holiday event sale, but I decided to, yeah, no, not right now, is actually the Dyson Corral. So I think that's on my wish list. I think I can still wait for springtime or perhaps for Mother's Day. I don't know. I feel it's not that I need it right away, but I think it will remain on my wish list. I mean, I have seen so many tutorials, and I love to wear my hair wavy. I actually use my Dyson Airwrap, and I love the technology of Dyson. I truly love Dyson so much. I mean, like, they have an amazing technology, and I don't know, every time that I see this Dyson Corral and the way that I think the plates are, I mean, I don't know all the details, but I think the way that they position themselves is to actually spread the heat evenly, and in fact it has some sensors so it doesn't overheat your hair and, you know, provoke more damage. So I know there's so much going on, and I'm sure they're going to come out with something even better in the next year or so, but I don't know, I just had been eyeing it for so long that I truly want it. And then, you know, I'm a lipstick lover, so I have two lipstick cases that I want right here. One is from GUERLAIN Holiday Collection, and it's the one with the little bee. Yeah, I know, I passed on it, and I should have got it. I don't know if it's still available or if I will find it at all or whatsoever, but it's just such a precious piece. I love the little bee. It has Swarovski crystals. It's something very special, and I know, I mean, like, it's not as special, for example, as a House of SILLAGE bold lipstick case, because that one has, you know, a little bit more. I mean, like, it's the name GUERLAIN too. It comes with a beautiful red lipstick too. I don't know, I just think I would love to add it to my collection. And talking about lipstick cases, I don't know, in my wish list, I really love the garden collection from House of SILLAGE. I had bought already the white one, but I have been eyeing the pink one too. So I think that one, I don't know, is still on my wish list. I think it's very pretty, very feminine. I mean, I think pink, white, they just look very classy, or even like the very light kind of like blush color, like melon tone. It's not the orange one, but it's also in from the garden collection. So I know that lipstick lover of me cannot with, yes, I want that, yeah. And then on my wish list is also something that I know only you guys can make, and that is to hit my 10,000 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube and 10,000 followers on my Instagram. That will be, I don't know, that will be such an achievement for me. I know it takes time, I know it takes effort, and I just greatly appreciate all of you guys that have subscribed, those who support me, those who share my videos. I mean, I just cannot thank you enough. You mean the world to me. Thank you so much for making such a difference to me on this journey of YouTube. It has been something very different for me. I kind of like went through full force this 2020 because things had changed so much, you know, personally, on my career, and you know, it has been just tough. So this has been a little bit of like my getaway to do certain things and accomplish others. So I think, you know, definitely that's on my wish list. Just keep growing. And talking about my channel, on my wish list there is a camera lens that I would like to get. So I have a Canon 80D, and I will put right here the lens that I'm talking about, and that's on my wish list. And I think that's gonna be one investment that I need to do, as well as lights, because as you know, I film in natural light. And like, for example, right now I have you right here by my Christmas tree, and this is the lighting that you see. I mean, like, it's well lit up. It's because I'm on my living room, but I cannot do my videos all the time on my living room, because also this is the place where my kids, you know, are around. So I don't want for them to feel like they have to be on their room while mom is doing her videos. So that would be great if I can get some sort of lighting that is really good. I don't know, like, I have been looking to some that they are just like, oh my gosh, way too expensive. No. And then talking about equipment for my channel, I really would love to do a little bit more of like vlog, kind of like a style type of videos, and I think I need a vlogging camera. So I have seen, I mean, like, I have heard really good things about these like Canon cameras, I think G7X or something like that. I don't know, I don't recall, but I heard good things about it. So I'm thinking, you know, like, that's something that is also on my wish list. But yeah, those are all things related to my channel, you know, to grow my channel. And then I would love to get a vanity, and I think this is my first impressions. And I mean, I really love the top glass. It looks, you know, very nice and clean and clear, and you can see the products through. I mean, that's on my wish list, and it's something that I don't necessarily need right away. I mean, I have a storage for my stuff, but yeah, it has been something that I have been really thinking about. And then the last item that I have it on my wish list is a Chikuhoro brush, and it's a Chikuhoro Z9 brush. And I know if Alicia from Kinky Sweat is watching this video, she will be, you haven't bought it yet? Because when was it? I think it was June, July. I was like bees to buy it. I'm like, I think I'm gonna get it, I think I'm gonna get it. And then she sent me a little text video of how it looks with comparison with other ones. I'm like, she's a sweetheart, she's amazing. And I'm like, okay, I think I'm gonna get it. And then I put it on my Beautylish cart, and then I'm like, no, maybe I could wait. So I had been thinking to buy it because I like the shape of it, and I mean, like, all the craftsmanship and all the details, and that has been on my wish list for a long time. But then I'm thinking, you know, perhaps Chikuhoro is gonna come with their year brush. I mean, it's very similar to the Z9, or, you know, or maybe Beautylish will have something else for, you know, New Year's. And I'm thinking, maybe I can wait. Just keep thinking, maybe I keep waiting. Oh my goodness, I shouldn't be waiting so long. And yeah, my friends, I think this is it for my wish list. There's many other things that I will really love to get to for my home, but yeah, as far as like for personal things, I think those are it. Those are the things that I would love to get for myself. Okay, my friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I mean, it was fun to share with you. I mean, like, I feel weird to share with you like things that are more personal, like because it's holiday and I'm not talking specifically about just makeup, but I think it was kind of fun. I would love to hear from you. What are those items on your wish list for this holiday season that you will be like, oh, I really would love to get this, you know, under the Christmas tree? That will be amazing. Just leave it in the comments down below. Let's just share. We are friends here, you know, in a just very humble way. I think it's just, you know, for the fun of it, for the fun of doing it. Thank you so much to Angela Van Rose, by the way, for creating this tag right here. And I will make sure to leave her video on the description box below so you can go and check it out. I think it was a lot of fun. It was, again, talking about the makeup releases for the holidays, but it was fun. It was a lot of fun. Okay, my friends, and while you're leaving your comment and what are those items on your wish list, I hope that you will consider and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And it will be amazing if you can come and follow me on my Instagram, and that way we can stay connected right there. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share with family and friends. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye!